Hell yeah, the weekend starts now. Looks good, Mike.
You say my kisses taste like magic. Well, stop! That's got to be the classic line. Please, no more Bristol change on now that I'm in love, baby. 'Cause that would really blow my mind. I'd pull a rabbit out my hat across the black cat's path to find you. And darling, you can best believe there's nothing up my sleeve but love. It must be magic. It must be magic. Got me under your spell. It must be magic. Oh, baby, it must be magic. You got me tilted, just like a pinball machine. Keep working mindless, such a magical feeling. You got me tilted, just like a pinball machine, and I love it, love it, love it.
I just woke up, thank God it's Friday. Fire up the lack and hit the highway. Moved in the car wash so they can hit them white wall tires. A day in the village, sitting on LA wires. And it's gotta be 80 degrees. I got a check in my pocket for 15 G's. Hit the first interstate, now I'm straight. Stop at the record store and pick me up an old school tape. Back in my ride, see the spin of the tires. Kid Frost rolling, bumping Earth, Wind and Fire. It feels good holding 15 grand, so I parked the sedan and I strolled into Greenspans. Give me a pair of your 50-30 Cascades, Cortez, and a jet black hoodie. Headed back home, got G'd up though. It's an east side rendezvous. Yeah.
Come on and roll with me on that late night rendezvous. Come on and roll with me like the emojis do. Come on and roll with me on that late night rendezvous. Come on and roll with me like the gangsters do.
Now, who beat that brand new daddy of the year? I swear ya, baby, we gon' take you there. It's me, that east side G y'all never heard of. With ALG and that boss getting much love. Through the neighborhoods, through the city. Woofers in they back bumping, do what pity. Yeah, drop a line to the muckers for their info. Pack them smokes, LA capping with them cacks low. 'Cause we